I really want to ask you about what exactly is the situation right now in Iran and around all the nuclear facilities that America or US is claiming they have destroyed, whereas Iran is claiming that they have moved everything from there already. So what exactly is the reality over there, and what is the situation around?
So, Iranian officials have announced that there have not been any signs of contamination in the nuclear sites that were attacked by Israel and the United States. And they have said they have not observed any signs of radioactive leak. The International Atomic Energy Agency, the IAEA, has also said that it has not received any reports regarding radioactive leak. So currently there is no danger for the people who are living in that area, and officials and reports suggest that people in the area that was targeted by Israel are safe.
Okay, and Shahrukh, there were reports that the facilities, they were already been evacuated back in March or in the previous year. How concrete are these facts?
Iranian officials have already taken precautionary measures to, follow safety rules, and the measures that they have taken are in line with the policies of the state to protect people and protect Iran's nuclear sites. And as you said, these measures have been taken to further protect the environment and protect the people. And for even further details, officials in the following days may issue reports about maybe the likely damage to the nuclear sites. But as reports suggest that people who are living in the areas near the nuclear sites have not heard loud explosions when the United States attacked these nuclear sites. So it could dismiss the US claims that it has destroyed the Iranian nuclear sites.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।